So we got our Knitcrate yarn, and this color is just gorgeous. So pretty. So it's Vida Lana or Maker Life, and this is Linen Jewel. So this colorway is called Oasis, and it's 50% superwash merino, 30% linen, and 20% silk. How can it get any nicer? So this is fingering weight, 400 yards each. So I have two, that means 800. Oh, let's see what I'm going to be making with this. So look how pretty that is. So, okay, the booklet says, oh, okay. Knitcrate, slip one, stitch one, repeat. Okay. Okay. So the inspirations says, this is the sock yarns. So let's see what it says here. These are the membership yarns. Look how pretty that's a like Midsummer Rose. That's the Energize Me. That's the Sandstones. The All Natural Soft and Subtle. Very, very pretty. And this is the Oasis, the one that we got. The Chill Out. Very pretty. So it always comes with ideas on what to make. And look how pretty that shrug is. So very, very nice. So let's see what we're going to be making with this. And I'll see you when we get there. Very pretty.